Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Here's a short video, just over 2 minutes, and in this video is going to tell a lot. So in the first part, I got still photos. You can see the front clip there in the top right. But this is the drip rail of the truck, and this truck had some water damage, just like all 60 through 66 trucks do. They didn't do a lot of undercoating, so found out a lot about the way they build. But what's really interesting about this video is the quality of the work that my friend Lynn does. I mean, he's struggled with me. I think he struggled with me more than he struggled with the truck, just because he'll have me do something and then he'll have me redo it and redo it a third or fourth time. And he uses product. I got some still photos at the very end of what product he ended up using. But this is the drip rail. It's a self-leveling sealer. And holy shit, this is so nice, so amazing. I wanted to do just a video on this. Also at the end of this, towards the end of this video, I'll show the inside of the cab and where Lynn's sealing things off. But I'm so fortunate to have a friend like Lynn who's a perfectionist, and he's so unfortunate to have a guy like me working with him, because I know it drives him nuts. But this is just an incredible video, short video, and it really summarizes the whole project, the way this project is going, and the quality and the level of completion that this build is taking on. So there's Lynn. He had me tape that off, and when I was done, he tore all the tape out and retaped it. And it's just a funny friendship, funny relationship, but just one hell of a build. And then here's the photos of the product, the self-leveling product. So if you got value, give it a thumbs up. Thanks again for watching. Appreciate the support. Any questions, ask them.